In this video, I'm going to load the different elements into the spinner. But first, I'm going to do some rearranging of my UI because I did not set this image up right to be clicked on in order for the user to go to a new image. I've set it up as an image. If I wanted to do this, I would have to set this up as a button and load in the images into the button, but I didn't set it up that way. So feel free to do that on your own as an extra challenge. But I have to change this text to tell the user to click below to change the channels. Then I'm going to move my spinner up above the horizontal arrangement tool so that they can click on that right there and make the selection. I'm also just going to make it a little more obvious and have it fill the parent, just be a little bigger so that the user can see it a little more plainly and is more likely to be able to click on it. Now I'm ready to load the channels into the spinner. In order to do that, you have a wonderful piece, first of all, you want to do that in the screen initialization event. Right away when the screen loads, we're going to want to load the elements into it. And we have a wonderful tool for doing that. It's called Set Elements. So when we set the elements, this is going to create the list that the user will see with the spinner. And we've made a list of stations. We've called them global stations, and I hover around it in order for it to surrender its getter, and there it is. I've got the getter, and now I know all the stations. They're loaded when the screen is initialized. It will be loaded with the data from the different radio stations. Now is a great time to test your app to make sure it works that way. Here's my app at the screen initialization event. You'll notice when I click below, I'll get a list of the channels, and I can select those channels, and then it says the channel right there. And I can then listen to the music and play it. But right now, it's still, no matter what channel I pick, even if I pick top 40, it's still loaded to play that old person channel. I still need to change the source of the player to this new location.